What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to do a gaming review of Xiaomi Mi 90 or Redmi K20 smartphone. We will play a few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting and then we will see how good is the gaming performance of this device. Along with that we will also have a look whether we are going to face any heating issue or quick battery drainage. So right now the battery temperature is 34 degrees Celsius and the CPU temperature is 42 degrees Celsius. And right now the battery percentage is 97. So let's start our test now. So these are the games we got today here on our Xiaomi Mi 90 or Redmi K20. Let's start with Injustice 2. So the volume is full and now let's play the game. The graphics quality is really good. So there was no frame drop or lagging, everything was very smooth and the graphics quality was brilliant. And now let's play something else. Let's play Asphalt 9. Here in the graphics setting of Asphalt 9 you can see that we have selected high quality and we are going to play all of these games using the game boost feature of Xiaomi. So now let's play Asphalt 9. So the graphics quality is brilliant. So everything is nice and super smooth, no frame drops, no lagging, and as you can see that the graphics quality is really impressive. And here are you at. So you can see that how nice and smooth was the gameplay of Asphalt 9. So now let's go back from here and let's try to play Injustice 2 one more time. And as you can see that the game is exactly where I left. So you can see that the 6 GB RAM is working perfectly. There is no forced closing of any of these two high-end heavy graphics game when we were playing them side by side. Let's try to go back from here to Asphalt 9 one more time. And it is exactly where we left as well. And let's have a look on the battery status. So the battery temperature is 37 now, CPU is at 42 and the battery percentage is 94. So now let's play Shadowgun Legends. It's one of the most high-end heavy graphics game and it runs at 60 FPS. But first let's close all of these applications. So here in the game setting of Shadowgun Legends you can see that we have selected ultra high graphics quality and 60 FPS. So now let's play the game.
Let's kick some space butts. Open sesame.
So I'm playing this game at 60 FPS and you can see that the graphics quality is pretty smooth.
Who's next?
But I can feel that the device is getting warm in my hand and there was a slight frame drop once.
Say your prayers.
So sometimes it's lagging a bit slightly, but most of the time it's pretty smooth, and as you can see that it's looking quite good when we are changing the camera angles. It's a 3D graphics game and we're playing it at 60 FPS, but still it's quite good here as you can see. But the device is getting warm in my hand, especially this part. I can feel it's pretty hot. So let's have a look on the battery temperature now, and the battery temperature is 39 and CPU is at 41 degrees Celsius right now. So the battery temperature is increased a bit for sure, and as I said, like this part, the bottom of the device is a bit warm. This part is still quite good, but here at the bottom it's pretty hot. So now let's play some other game. Let's play Cover Fire. It's also one of the most high-end heavy graphics game, and this one also runs at 60 FPS. So here in the game setting you can see that we have selected 60 FPS and the high graphics quality. And now let's play Cover Fire. So you can see how good is the graphics quality, and there is no frame drop or lagging as well. So there was no frame drop or lagging while playing Cover Fire on Xiaomi Mi 90 or Redmi K20 on high graphics quality at 60 FPS. And now let's play Modern Combat 5. It is also a very heavy graphics game and it runs at 60 FPS as well. Here in the graphics setting of Modern Combat 5, once again you can see that we have selected 60 FPS as the limit and the graphics quality is optimal. I cannot make any changes to that. And now let's play the game.
All ready. Move into cover. Take him out.
So you can see there is no frame drop or lagging. Everything is nice and smooth. I'm playing this game at 60 FPS and you can see how smoothly the graphics is changing when I'm changing the camera angle. And if you have a look on the ground and everywhere, you can see how much detail we are getting. For example, if you have a look on the costume of the character, the shoes and everywhere on the ground floor, it's full of detail. It's really good, very impressive. So let's play it a bit more.
Hold up. Come on. Let's go. Thanks. Contact!
Strike 2, this is Monarch. Advance to extraction point B. Over.
You heard him. Come on.
So once again you can see graphics quality is so good and no frame drops or lagging is happening. So everything is nice and smooth, and if you have a look on the surrounding you can see how much detail we are getting. For example, if you have a look on the cloud, the wall, also on the character, the costume and everything, you can see how much detail is there. If you have a look on the face as well, for example. So the graphics quality is really nice for sure. So this should be giving you the correct idea about the graphics quality of Modern Combat 5 on Xiaomi Mi 90 or Redmi K20. So it's really good. Now let's play the last game for today, and that's going to be the PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting you can see that PUBG Mobile has selected high FPS and HD graphics quality. I'm going to change it to HDR and you can see that it is not available. So I'm going to play this game on HD graphics quality and high FPS. So it's looking quite smooth. As you can see, I'm changing camera angles so quickly and there's no frame drops or lagging. And also if you have a look on the surrounding area once again, especially on the ground, you can see how much detail we are getting on the ground, in the grass, shadows and everything. It's so good. And the camera angles are changing pretty fast and smoothly as well. So here once again you can see it's super smooth, no lagging while changing the camera angle. It's very smooth and the touch screen sensitivity is nice as well. As you can see, it's responding to all of my touches and then PUBG Mobile is responding to those touches as well. So once again you can see it's pretty smooth, just minor frame drop happened once. And here you can see that the device is capable of running PUBG Mobile at nearly 40 FPS easily. It's running between 30 to 40 FPS. So you can see it's pretty smooth while changing the camera angles, and the graphics quality is so good, lots of detail in everything. For example, if you have a look on the surface, the road, so you can see there is no frame drops or lagging, everything is nice and smooth. I'm just trying to give you an idea about the gameplay of PUBG Mobile on Xiaomi Mi 90, how good it's going to be or how bad it's going to be, and it's looking quite smooth for sure. Some lightning kind of thing is happening sometimes. I'm not sure what exactly it is, but it's happening as you can see. So the overall gaming performance of Xiaomi Mi 90 or Redmi K20 is really nice and impressive. As you can see that we played all of these high and heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting, especially we are playing PUBG Mobile on it right now, and as you can see there is no frame drop or lagging, everything is really nice and smooth, and there are no frame drops for sure. And the graphics quality is so good, everything is so much in detail. So if you are going to play high and heavy graphics game on Xiaomi Mi 90 or Redmi K20, then you will be happy with the performance for sure. Does not matter which game you are playing. And now let's have a look on the battery status. So the battery percentage is 86 right now, and the battery temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. CPU is still at 41, so just ignore it. We are talking about the battery. It's 40 degrees Celsius, so not so much heating is happening while playing all of these high and heavy graphics game on Xiaomi Mi 90 or Redmi K20, and the performance is nice as well. So nearly 40 plus minutes of continuous gameplay. That is the duration of this video recording. The battery percentage moved from 97 to 86, so battery performance is nice as well, along with the gaming performance. So if you are a gamer, you are going to be happy with the performance of Xiaomi Mi 90 or Redmi K20 for sure. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.